Hi viewers, a warm welcome to Learn Industrial Safety Engineering course. I am S. Chandralekha, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechatronics Engineering. Today we will see accident concept under Industrial Safety Engineering. In day-to-day life we come across the terminology accident because it has been a normal routine in the routine life. And now I'll just tell what is an accident. Accident is nothing but an incident or else an untoward happening. A proper definition may come like accident is an unexpected, unwanted, unplanned event which may or may not cause injury, damage to people, property and environment. In this definition, we can just note that there is a line called may or may not. Why it is coming like may or may not? Accident, it is a chance. Accident normally it is referred as a luck factor because I'll just tell an example. Just dropping a hammer from the 4th floor to the ground floor may simply hit the ground or else it can hit somebody and fatally knock down. So that's why accident is often referred as luck factor. That is why in the definition terminology they have added accident may or may not cause injury, damage to people, property and environment. Now we'll see how accident is caused. Accident is caused due to two factors. One is unsafe act and another one is unsafe condition. Unsafe act is caused by human and unsafe condition it is caused by the prevailing environment. Unsafe act is nothing but negligence or violations of safety rules and regulations. Whereas unsafe condition is nothing but an hazardous situation that is prevailing in the industry or a shop floor. I can tell an example for unsafe act. Unsafe act, you can just tell an rash driving or else overspeed. An unsafe condition as spillage in a shop floor can also be an unsafe condition, and improper housekeeping comes under the fact unsafe condition. Now, this unsafe act is contributing 80% to the cause of the accident, and unsafe condition contributes to 20% of the accidents. Researchers have just found out these statistics from the previous accident case studies. It is mandatory to minimize or eradicate the unsafe act, because if the man is perfect, we can make the entire world perfect. So now we have to concentrate on the unsafe act. But we know that normally human is to help. He can't be perfect in all issues and all time. So we have to concentrate on this unsafe act, and we have a technique called, in order to prevent accident, in industries nowadays they follow a technique called behavior based safety. Behavior based safety, it deals with the attitude and behavior of the worker, how they work in the job place or workplace. They'll just monitor them and they'll find out the need identification, what is required, what skill set is required, or where they are lagging, why they are not aware of the safety regulations or procedures. So industries will find out these things with the help of the safety officer and they'll train the workers. After training, we can just take the statistics in the accidents and we can just observe the unsafe acts that is in the shop floor. So we'll just see that the unsafe act is gradually decreasing. When unsafe act is decreasing, the accidents will decrease and thereby unsafe condition will also decrease. When unsafe act and unsafe condition are minimized or eliminated, there is no chance of accident. And now we'll see the types of accident. Accident type, there are three types. One is fatal, another one is major injury, and another one is minor injury. Where this fatal and major injury, it comes under the category of reportable accident. Here we need to report to the authorities, government authorities, that is factory inspectorate. And minor injury, it is normally referred as first aid case, that it is called and comes under non-reportable accident. We need not inform the authorities, but we need to make a register and we need to enter it so that we can avoid those minor injuries in the future cases. Sometimes we can just note down as the near miss cases also, near miss case or else at-risk behavior. And the last topic is safety performance monitoring. National Safety Council, it monitors the safety performance of each and every industry based on the two factors. One is frequency rate and another one is severity rate. They will find out the frequency rate of the accidents occurring per year in the industry and what is the severity rate. Frequency rate, it is calculated by total number of reportable accident. Reportable accident, as I mentioned, it is fatal and major injury. So frequency rate, it is calculated by total number of reportable accidents divided by total million man hours work, that into 10 to the power of 6. And whereas severity rate, it is calculated by total man days loss divided by total number of man hours work, that into 10 to the power of 6. Based on these two indices, based on these two factors, an industry is measured for its safety performance and it is recommended for safety award in the National Safety Council. This applies to all over India. I'll just recap the entire session. We have just covered the topic accident, its causes, types, prevention and safety performance monitoring. Accident, we know it is an unexpected, unplanned, unwanted event which may or may not cause injury, damage to people, property and environment. This accident, it is caused by two factors. One is unsafe act and another one is unsafe condition, where unsafe act contributes more to the accident causation, that is 80%. Then the types of accidents are fatal, major injury, minor injury, where fatal and major injury comes under reportable accident and minor injury comes under non-reportable accident. Then the prevention methodology for accident is, though there are so many techniques, nowadays industries adopt behavior based safety as a major thing because it is the only technique which minimizes or eliminates the unsafe act from the worker side. And the last one is safety performance monitoring, that is monitored by frequency rate and severity rate, where we know frequency rate is calculated by total number of reportable accidents divided by total man hours work, that into 10 to the power of 6, and the severity rate is calculated by total man days loss due to that reportable accident divided by total man hours work, that into 10 to the power of 6. Based on this, industries were given safety awards from National Safety Council all over India. Thanks for listening.